Hello guys, I'm Sakshi and welcome back to my channel, YouTube channel. Yes. Okay. So before you leave this video, let me tell you it took all the courage of this world for me to make a video on this topic and talk in front of the camera. So please appreciate that. Also, I'm not gonna say today if you want to watch, you can. Rather, I request you, all the girls, women, men, anyone out there, to watch the video till the end. And I am sure you're gonna get a lot of information about this topic. And I am gonna try my best to cover all the doubts and questions in this video. And yes, so we will start with the very first question. So the first question is it safe? Well, yes, it is, and it's absolutely safe. It doesn't hurts, doesn't pokes, and nothing sort of that. It's made of silicon. It doesn't has any color, it doesn't have any odor or chemical, so it's absolutely safe. Okay. The second question is, will it hurt? No, it won't. It doesn't pokes, it doesn't have harsh edges, sort of, just like you see in plastic. It's not like that. It's made of silicon, so it's absolutely safe and it doesn't hurts. So the next question is, will it get all inside and won't come out? Hmm? No, it's not like that. It won't get all inside, and it's nothing like that. It won't come out. I know you all are afraid of this. Ki, what if it just get inside? I'm not, and I am not able to pull it out. It's not like that. It comes out very easily if you know the trick. Okay, so it's just this much. This is the size, approx size, and it has a suction over it. So that suction helps to stay in place. All right. So the next question is, which age group of people can wear it? Well, it can be worn by anyone, like if you're a teenage or an adult or in your late 30s or 40s, or if you're a mom or anyone. It can be worn by anyone and it can be used by anyone. So it doesn't has any particular age group. So the biggest doubt and the most asked question is, will it break my virginity? So let me tell you, no, it won't. It's not a man. It neither will break your trust nor will your virginity. So sit down and relax. It will just take this much of space in your place, and that's it. You're good to go. So relax. Nothing like that, okay? How do I start using it? So first of all, you need to buy, okay? And you can buy from any brand, Safi, Wow, Be Safe. There are many brands and number of brands selling the menstrual cup. So I got mine from Safi, which something looks like this, and you can get it from anywhere and then start using it, okay? So to start using it, as I told you, you need to buy first, and this is how it comes in packaging. Every brand has different packaging, and this is how the Safi one has. And you have to open it like this. Oh my god, it's too difficult. And there's this pouch which you can store the menstrual cup, which is very safe and made up of cotton. Every brand has this, and to start using it, first you have to sterilize it, which means you need to boil this cup in a boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so you need to do that and then start using it. So the biggest question is, how do I insert it? And this is something we all are afraid of. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you all. Okay, this is how the menstrual cup looks. All the menstrual cups look same. So, and this is the um, area. So what you need to do is fold it like this. Fold it like this, or either pinch it over here and then this. Okay, these are the two folds which are mostly used, and the second one is easy one. I don't know who the you know uses the first one, but second one is easy. So what you need to do is pinch it like this and then try to insert it. First of all, you need to have all the strength and positivity all around. You need to gain all the strength and courage and then start using it. So what people usually do and what I did was I I tried folding like this and then tried inserting it in an upper direction, in an upper direction, which was wrong, like wrong. So I tried the different fold like this one, and then I tried. So what you need to keep in mind is, um, try to find the direction, of the hole. So try to find that, and just I'm just gonna give you an example with this only. Suppose this is the menstrual cup and I'm trying to insert it like this. It won't get inside, rather it will hurt you. Okay, so instead of going in this direction, try to put it in this cervix direction. Your cervix is in this direction, it's not in this direction. So when you fold it, use your finger to find the direction and then insert it. It's gonna be very easy. And positions, like the positions which you can try is this squat position, or in which we sit to pee. Like these are the two positions which will really help you depending on your body, because the one that helped me was pee or the squat position. These two helped me a lot, so it's gonna help you. And you need to, sit as a beginner, you need to be a bit careful, like a bit. It won't be that hard. You just need to, keep all the things in mind and be positive about it. I hope I'm making sense and whatever I'm saying is understandable. Okay, all the best. uh, and when it gets inside, it will automatically open, but to check, to ensure that it's open, you can use these two fingers of yours and rotate it a bit, like 2 to 3 times. Rotate it, and it if it's not opened, it will get opened. So the next question is, how do I remove it? Well, it is even easier. Just in the direction you inserted it, you have to take it out and remove it in that direction itself. Like if you have inserted in this direction, try to take it out in this direction only. If you just hold this and try pulling down like in a straight direction, it won't come out. Okay, so what you need to do is, just like you adjusted this, first pull it out with this, like slowly and gradually. You have to be very patient with the process. So you hold this, and this is on the outer surface only. So you hold like this and pull it out a little bit. Okay, and sit in the position in which you said to insert it. Okay, so, and what you need to keep in mind is that you need to put a little bit pressure, like a little bit pressure, to take it down, and otherwise you won't have a hold over here. So you need to give a pressure little bit on this area, like your tummy, lower abdomen area. You need to give a pressure over there, and it will come out slightly. So when you have hold on this, like this part, pinch it like this, you know this this this, like this. Okay, so when it comes out this much, like this much, just hold it and pull it down slightly, very slowly. Okay, and the biggest myth the people are afraid of, I will be all over blood. No, you won't be all over blood. It's nothing like that. It's a very smooth process. Okay, so relax. You have to be relaxed and patient with the process. So the next question we have is, does it leaks? Like, it doesn't really, but to ensure, if you're a beginner, you can use pad over it for, like, first 2 days, or the first time you wearing, you can use pad just to be protected if you're going out. I didn't use it because I was at home, lockdown is going on, so I was like, let it be. So yes, it doesn't leaks, but yes, I did experience some leakage while I was sleeping. So maybe because I didn't change at the correct time, because it claims to give 10 hour of protection, 10 hour of protection, and I was wearing more than that. Or maybe it was for second day, and my flow was heavy, so that's why. Otherwise it doesn't leaks, because I was all good and I didn't even felt like I was in periods. So it also depends on your flow, if it's heavy or if it's, less, something like that. So if it's heavy, make sure you change it in time. If it's given 10 hour of protection, change it in 8 hours. If you have less flow, so you can change it in the given time, like for the third, and not for the third day, but for the fourth day I was continuously wearing it for 16 hours and it didn't leak because the flow was less. So it also depends on your flow. Like, so the next question we have is, how do I know when do I need to remove it? So the thing that happens is, your cup gets heavy a little bit, okay, little bit. So you can come to know by that whether you have to remove it or not. Or if you're not sure, just remove it in the given time. Like, if you feel now I need to remove, it's been 10 hours or 8 hours, I should remove now. So you can remove at that time also, because in 8-10 hours it gets filled almost, as I said, depending on your flow as well. So you can come to know, and as a beginner, you have to be a little careful. And when you keep on using it, like for the second time, when you're using it for the third time, you will automatically get used to it and know when to remove and when to not. So when you're using it for the first time, just be a little careful and try to remove it in the given time, because I know it, you won't even feel like you're on periods by wearing this. So that's why you need to remove in the given time or in less than that. Otherwise, you know your flow, so you can remove accordingly and change. How do I clean it? How do I clean it? Okay, so you can use a mild cleanser or an intimate wash to clean it. Every time you remove and then you want to insert it again, you can clean it with that intimate wash. I received intimate wash with this, so I use that. But if you don't have, even regular water would do the same. Okay, and but make sure your hands are clean. You wash your hands properly before removing out and inserting it again, because your hands contain bacteria which can go and transfer on this. So you need to take care of that, otherwise cleaning process is very easy. So the next question we have is, how do I store it? So when you're done with your periods, like all done, you can sterilize it again and wipe it off with a cotton or any cloth, clean cloth you have. And they give this pouch with the packaging for storing only, so you can store in this and use it the next time. But do not store it in a plastic container, as it can cause vacuum and it might get, infected all of that. So store it in this only. It's the best way and the safest way to store it. So the next question is, does it causes irritation, itchiness, or odor? No, it doesn't causes anything like that. Nothing. You won't even experience you are on your periods. It's that good. Yes, it's that good. So, you won't even experience anything. It doesn't causes any sort of this thing. And odor, not at all. Itchiness, not at all. And irritation, never. You won't, as I said, you won't feel like you are on your periods. It's that good. So the next question is, which size should I use? So if you're a teenager under 20, you should go for a smaller size, which is for 12 ml. And if you're an adult like 21 to 30 or 21 to 27, whichever age group you consider, you should go for medium size, which is of 24 ml. And if you are in late 30s or 40s, or if you're a mom, as I said, you should definitely go for the large size, which is of 36 ml. So the one that I'm using is medium size 20. It collects 24 ml of blood. Okay, so yeah, the thing that I wanted to share with you all is that I know most of you all are beginners just like me. So when you try to insert it, when you try to use it, just make sure your nails are short or totally cut down, because I had this much nails and it did hurt me. I pinched myself sometimes and it was, painful. So if you have nails, just cut it down, and if you don't have, it's good. And if you have longer nails as a beginner and you're trying to insert it, it will cause a lot of problem. Myths that we believe in. We all think that blood has an odor, it smells. But let me tell you, I am after using this menstrual cup, I am telling you that it's nothing like that. Okay, blood doesn't has any smell, doesn't has any odor. It smells when it comes in the contact of oxygen and moisture when you wear pad. So blood doesn't have any smell, good or bad. It is neutral. Okay, so yes, you need to know that blood doesn't has any smell. Also, I wanted to tell you all, if you're using tampons, please stop it. Do not wear it. Tampons are seriously bad for your body and causes some serious disease. I cannot elaborate all the things in this video because video will get a lot longer. So I will mention a link in the description where you can find all the information and uh, everything about tampons. So if you're using it, please stop. Even if you're using it, rarely for one time, please stop it. Do not use tampons, please. Rather, you can use pads if you're not comfortable with this, but please don't use tampons, please. Also, this product lasts for 8 to 10 years, which is more than pad, more than tampons, because they are for one time use. But this lasts for 8 to 10 years. It is environmental friendly, so you should go for this product. And I hope at least some of you will try to use it and start using it, dare to use it, because let me tell you, once you start using it, you will forget about pads and tampons, and I bet you won't get back to pads and tampons ever in your life. It's that good. You will experience a whole new different level of menstruation in your life. Trust me on this. This is the product you need to try in your life. You are missing in your life, I would say. Please start using it. Please, I can't say much, and I can just share the information. I can just share what I experienced and what is my opinion. So I guess I'm not guessing. I am sure you should start using it. So we complete all the questions and doubts over here, and I have covered almost all the questions and doubts which I had, which people have, like which are the most asked questions people usually have doubt about. So if anything is left, please ask me in the comment below, and I would love to answer them. Also, I hope I was able to clear all of your doubts and questions, and I know I fumbled a lot because I am nervous. I'm still nervous. Uh, but I hope I did explain you and you did understand. And if you did, please let me know in the comment below. I would love to know you all, and I would be very happy if you all appreciate. Also, if you like this video or me, please do join in my YouTube journey. I would love to have you all. Yes, I would. And do share it with someone you think would be useful for. That is it for the video. I hope you all guys enjoyed this. It was informative to you all. And yes, if you did, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more such informative videos in future. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. I love you all so much. Mwah.